You getting in there with the puppies? Shutting the door? You in there with them puppies? Are you a puppy? Can you bark like a puppy? Huh? Yeah. You gonna shut the door so they don't get out? Yeah. Pretty puppies. You are a pretty puppy. Yeah, they are. You are too. You want to shut the door? All right. Look at them puppies all sleeping right there. Right by Caden. Caden gonna lay down and go to sleep too? Okay. Look at that. Yeah. Caden's sleeping with the puppies. Uh-huh. You getting up? Okay, you gonna get out?
No.
You gonna stay in there with them?
Yeah.
Okay. Nighty night, puppies.